Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how spirulina works in our body. First, when you consume spirulina, its unique cell wall, which lacks cellulose, allows for rapid digestion and nutrient release. This means your body can quickly access its rich profile of vitamins, minerals, and proteins. It's like giving your system a fast-acting, nutrient-dense boost right from the start. Once digested, spirulina's powerful nutrients, including high-quality protein and essential fatty acids, are absorbed through your intestinal walls. They then enter your bloodstream, traveling throughout your body to nourish cells and support vital functions. This efficient delivery system ensures that your organs and systems receive the building blocks they need to operate optimally. At a cellular level, spirulina's potent antioxidants like phycocyanin work to neutralize free radicals, protecting your cells from damage. This helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation throughout your body. Furthermore, it supports the health and activity of immune cells, strengthening your natural defenses against various challenges. It's a true cellular guardian. Finally, spirulina assists your body's natural detoxification processes, helping to eliminate unwanted substances. It also contributes to a healthy gut microbiome, which is crucial for overall well-being and nutrient absorption. By supporting these fundamental systems, spirulina helps maintain your energy levels and promotes a sense of vitality. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.